All right, this is part 2. So this is 15 through the end of the test, which is, I don't know, 28 or so. Okay. All right, let's get started right where we picked up yesterday. Okay. Guys, this is a growth. Okay. This is a growth. The asymptote is at 2. Okay. So this is a decay. This is a growth. Okay. That's a nothing. All right. This is a growth, but this is at -2. Okay. So this is the only one that works. But if we had to find the y-intercept, okay, you plug 0 in for x. So this would be 6 times 3 to the 0 plus 3 plus 2. So 6 times 3 to the 3 is 27 plus 2. So whatever that is, that's a big number, which is why this graph goes up and up and up and doesn't show you. Okay? All right. Logarithmic form. Log base 7 of 343 equals 3. Log base 7c. Okay? All right, now. 7 squared is 49. All right, but we want 1 over 49. So 7 to the -2 makes the 49 go to the bottom. Okay? All right. Now flip it back to exponential form. 32 to the 3/5 equals 8. Okay? 32 to the 3/5 equals 8a. All right. It's a log is the inverse of the exponential. So an exponential, okay, the asymptote is at a y equals. All right, so that a log, the asymptote is an x equals. And this would be 0. So the asymptote's at x equals 0. Okay? And it goes up. So it's c. Okay? You could also just pop this into Desmos. All right? Go down to calculus, log base 6 of x, and you kind of get an idea. Okay? You could graph it. Same thing here. Okay? -3 is the asymptote. Okay? So that means, all right, the asymptote is 3 over. Okay? But, to be honest with you, I'm just going to graph this. Okay? Log base 2 of x -3 is after. Okay? Let's get rid of the red one, the blue one. Okay? So the intercept is at 8. That's at 8. This is past 8. Okay? So that's how you know it's C. All right, right as a single log. Okay. Log x to the 6 divided by x minus 2 to the 4th. I'm going to go with none of these. Expand log base 2 of 7 plus the 3 goes out in front. So 3 log base 2 of C. Okay, so A. All right. Use the properties to evaluate. Okay. 4 to the 2nd is 16. So this is 2 plus 4 to the 3rd is 64. So 2 plus 3 minus 4 to the 4th is 256. So 5 minus 4 is 1. You could also just type that in your calculator. Okay? Just type it in. Okay? All right. Log, if there's no base, it's 10. 4x over 3 equals 0. Okay. So now let's switch this to exponent form. 10 to the 0 equals 4x over 3. Anything to the 0 is 1. So that means 1 equals 4x over 3. Let's cross multiply. Okay, so 4x equals 3. X equals 3 over 4. Okay, which is 0.75. Okay. I'm going to put a line there. I'll tell you why. Okay. As a single log. So ln of x to the third over y to the third. There you go. Okay. All right. Guys, we're going to graph this function. ln, well, 5500 times ln to the 9x plus 4. Never use t in a graph. Okay, let's get rid of that one. All right, and now let's spread this out. There we go. Let's zoom in. Okay, let's zoom in. And they want to know how many mowers will be sold 3.5 years. So x is years, so t, t for time, so x 3.5, okay? So 19,632. There you go. Okay. ln of 3x equals 7, okay? So you change natural log to e, so e to the 7 equals 3x, okay? E to the 7, all right, is, you round this, 1096.6 equals 3x, okay? Now divide by 3, okay? Divided by 3. 365. There you go. Okay. All right, last question. All right. So you switch this to ln of 2/3. You switch the e to ln of 2/3 equals x. So you literally just type that in. Okay. Ln of 2/3 negative 0.405. There you go. Bingo. All right, again, your assignment is to do the other one, and let me know if you have